Doctors at St. Elizabeth's Journey Treatment Center in Covington routinely prescribe versions of Suboxone and naltrexone for their patients. Medical Director Dr. Teresa Kaler says they've been doing that since it opened in 2015.
What we try to do is meet the patient where they're at. So if patients are interested in medication-assisted treatment, then they will definitely get medication-assisted treatment here.
But nationally, the CDC report found 25% of those suffering through opioid addiction in 2022 were not getting treatment drugs. That's because 43% of those addicts were not getting any treatment. But the agency's Dr. Deborah Powell says that more than half of the people who were being treated did not get medicine she calls life-saving.
Some people are concerned and see this as equivalent to illegal drug use. It's really not. We see, unfortunately, that even among clinicians and treatment providers, some have a bias against these medications and see them as equivalent to street drug use.
The report also pointed out opioid overdose deaths hit nearly 82,000 in 2022, an all-time high. Recent numbers indicate area overdose death numbers have leveled off after surging during the pandemic. Transition Center CEO Jim Biting says the stigma still exists, but is fading in the tri-state, perhaps because the area was one of the first to see the explosion of the opioid epidemic in the 2000s and has been battling it ever since.
I think the more providers you have and the more you talk about things, the stigma goes down.
So in Hamilton County in 2023, there were 393 overdose deaths. That was down from 433 in 2022, and the first time since the epidemic began that the numbers fell 2 years in a row. The all-time high in Hamilton County was 570 deaths in 2017.
You can always get local stories right here on YouTube, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get notifications to stay in the know.